appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for all new episode of Reba. Good night, America.
Why are you doing that?
I have pictures of Messiah like that too.
Really?
Okay. I was trying to get those ones, but I have a good one. She's crying so much. Boring. So sad.
Today my student said, "This weekend I watched your baby on YouTube." I googled him. Zizi, say hi to the students. They might be watching you on YouTube right now. Say what's up, guys. Say why are you on YouTube when you need to be doing your homework? Uh-oh. Up. Is Grey's Anatomy on?
Wasn't on last week. It's never on back to back.
It's cool to be.
It is.
Yes.
It is. Oh, dang.
First off, I just need to ask you a few questions. We have a couple of different kinds of information here, so I have to choose to say it. Look, this test gives us tons of information.
Stop, Zizi.
Here, some of it
Be careful, honey.
so don't want to jump to
Are you gonna go back in
without
circles?
careful consideration.
Yeah, I've carefully considered. Do I have the Alzheimer's gene?
You gotta let me answer this questionnaire.
Bailey, you're my mentor and my friend, and I respect your work. But I'm telling you, if you don't answer my question, I will punch you in the face. We don't dodge your questions. Because we're just a positive.
Wow, crazy lady.
We do it because when you say you want the truth,
What did she say?
Soccer ball.
Oh, soccer ball. Your eyes are going like a demon because of the flash. Hey.
Soccer ball? Soccer ball.
Shepard says his wife's unconscious too.
There's a soccer ball up there.
Oh,
Zanzibar.
just so
Oh, Zanzibar. Zanzibar. Zanzibar.
Put your things soccer ball.
I put on that t-shirt.
Sink a boat. Sink a boat. Sink a boat. Sticky feet.
I'm a feet in the video.
that he would wake up.
No, go.